Yeah. Oh, that's good. Keeps it tight like that. Nice.
Ideally, both of our feet face the same direction. Plate carrier pressed over so he can still access his shoulder pocket. High compressed. Punch away. Low compressed. Short stop. And bring it back in.